stop. I'm ahead. But this FK8 is coming now. FK2's taking me. Damn it. Whoa, it's really interesting just how fast this is.
So, surprise, surprise, the newest car was the quickest. The FK8 covered the stunning quarter mile in 13.9 seconds. The FK2 was next, finishing in 14.2 seconds. The FN2 Mugen took 14.4 seconds. And the FN2 and EP3 were almost a complete dead heat at 15.4 seconds. Though the EP3 was just a fraction ahead. To see how much you can save on a new Civic Type R, click on the pop-out banner on the link below the video to go to carwow.co.uk.
And we'll pull level, then I'll give us the countdown. So, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, this picks up super quick! Oh, the VTEC, yo! This is fast! Oh no, the turbocharged cars have gone. They have gone. That's what happens when you got almost twice the torque. I think we'll call that a day. This Mugen though, woo! Doesn't half fly. Now we're going to do a brake test from 70 miles an hour. So let's see which one stops in the shortest distance. Everyone's level. If you click in the top right hand corner of the screen, I want you to vote which car you think is going to stop in the shortest distance. And we'll hit the cones, full emergency stop. Let's see if you guess correctly. Oh, oh no way! That is interesting. That is super interesting. So that sort of went as I expected. The newer the car, the shorter the distance it took to stop. Apart from the FN2, the normal one, which I actually thought would stop in the longest distance because it's heavier than the Mugen. It has more basic brakes. So I would have thought that it would have taken longer to stop than the Mugen. So it would have been in between the other two. But it wasn't. It was actually the shortest overall, which is just weird.